Metaverse in business. All of you should have read up on the metaverse concept before looking into the various business opportunities it offers. Virtual environments will be the device independent, therefore, there will be no one manufacturer controlling the metaverse. The notation that the metaverse has its own virtual economy shows how the metaverse and commercial potential are intertwined. In the metaverse system, non-fungible tokens as well as digital currencies are used. As a result, firms may use the metaverse to test out innovative new business models. Most importantly, the responses to what really is the metaverse within business would indeed refer to the integration of several technologies that constitute the metaverse. These include augmented reality and the Internet of Things, the AR cloud, spatial technology, and head mounted displays. Websites will become virtual locations in such a shared metaverse, regarded by IT experts as the next version of Internet. This means that the metaverse has a great deal to offer companies, much as the web and the Internet 2.0 did for the e-commerce. And what the business potential of the metaverse is. Although the metaverse relies on several technologies, it is likely to be an internet successor. There will always an element of curiosity about what firms may do in this new virtual realm. The metaverse has surely generated the most excitement of any new technological development. Metaverse systems for augmented virtual and physical reality are being developed by a number of tech businesses. Metaverse business potential, on the other hand, depends heavily on the implementation of tasks now occurring across silos. Inside a single common environment on the metaverse, there are a number of important events and activities that might lead to a new business prospectus. Using immersive e-commerce, you may shop within virtual retail shops and malls, engaging and immersing shopping experiences, NFT sale services, real estate leasing, digital locations, operation of a business, advertising, branding and marketing, virtual travel agency, data service provider, the hospitality business, which has wealth of possibilities. Due to immense or huge potential, big brands sooner or later will shift or move their businesses on metaverse. Each of these characteristics may aid companies in developing strategic models for expanding their virtual business potential. With so many options, it's only natural to look into the metaverse commercial opportunities. Here's an overview of several noteworthy businesses concept for the metaverse. Virtual events. Virtual events are among the first solution to the question, what are the business prospects of metaverse? Virtual events have been more popular during this pandemic. The metaverse provides essential assistance for enhancing virtual event integration. Virtual events organizers may create events that make participants feel as they physically there. Fortnite is a prominent example of how virtual events may illustrate the possibilities of economic prospectus in the metaverse. Fortnite has hosted virtual concerts by well-known singers like Travis Scott and Ariana Grande in April 2020. Travis Scott took the stage as a virtual avatar in front of a virtual crowd that numbered in a million in an appearance on the Fortnite video game. Shopping in an immersive environment. Virtual shopping is getting boom during the COVID time. Metaverse most probably will change the future shopping and retail industry and concept of big malls. In near future, Metaverse may also be a right place for the launch of sophisticated and innovative goods. Nike, Alibaba, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, and Zara are just few of the retail giants that have already begun exploring with the metaverse. Virtual shopping experiences are the most lucrative business opportunity in the retail industry when it comes to virtual reality. As a digital avatar, you might visit a clothing store in the metaverse. You'll be able to shop exactly as you if you were at the store in real life. You may also look at the items on online purchasing websites, exactly what that makes the metaverse unique. In the metaverse, your digital avatar may dress up in the clothing and accessories from the fashion shop, and their experts or your fashion designer will tell you your dress suits you or not. Additionally, a specific outfit or set of jeans might be measured to see how it fits. We are hoping Metaverse will change the fashion industries when in coming years. The immersive Metaverse shopping experiences provide businesses with quick and useful input for product enhancements.